Hey guys, Sonny here, back with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a drop like Dillon Francis. So the final result will sound like this. So if you're in the preset, make sure to check bass as volume 4. In the preset pack you find all the sounds you need to make this kind of style of music. Besides that, if you're in the project file, you can download it and prepare your tune. I will put it in the description as well. So now let's dive into the remake. So first, we're gonna dive into the drums. We sampled it from the original, sounding like this. So first, we cut off the kick from the original. As you can hear, it's clean here, so simply cut it out and put it in here. Then we made a clap, sampled from the original as well. As you can hear, at this part it's combined with a kick and a clap. So what we basically did is cut off the lows from the kick drum and added some reverb. So together the drums sound like this. So now we're gonna make the bass line. So now let's dive into the preset. The preset sounds like this. So we're gonna make it from scratch. Selecting our preset. We're gonna go for basic shapes with a square wave and a sine wave. With those techie kind of sounds, you always want to go for the more basic kind of wavetables. So in this case, a square and a sine wave. First one gonna be 1 octave down. Second one gonna be 2 octaves down. Then we're gonna shape envelope 1, just a little bit of sustain, some release. Then we're gonna shape the second envelope. We're gonna route it to the level of oscillator B. So no sustain, a little bit of attack, and some release. Then we're gonna add some FM modulation to oscillator B. Just slightly, just around here. Besides that, select the mono, just to avoid overlapping notes and bass sounds. Now we're gonna filter it with a low 18. Cut off around here. And envelope 2 to the cutoff. Then we're gonna add some drive. It's a bit too much right now, so let's lower it down a little bit. We're gonna add some fatness as well, just a little bit. Then some hyperdimension with no hyper, some dimension. Just lower the master volume a little bit. And to finish off, we're gonna add a phaser to it with a frequency just around here, and a mix at 20%, so it's really subtle. Let's crank the master a little bit up till around here. So that's it for the preset. So altogether the sounds sound like this. And that's it for the Dillon Francis kind of style drop. So if you like the video, please leave a like and see more, and the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next videos.